Hi, welcome back to the Bear Make It YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make this, only in real life. All right, so obviously I've got a 3D model of it. So I got some measurements and such off that are gonna be changed because we've decided to change it since I made the model. And the plan is to make it out of this red oak, because this will match the other project I made for my arch nemesis last year, which was a record crate. He's a DJ, so he uses records. It's not that he's trapped in the 70s. He might be trapped in the 70s, but he's also a DJ, so at least he has an excuse for using records. Anyway, we're gonna use this red oak, and I think I can get all the pieces I need for this out of this chunk. If not, oh, I left it too far away, I can't reach it. I have another chunk of red oak over there that I will also use. So let's just start laying out our pieces on here and see what we get. Okay, so we've got those three pieces laid out. And yes, I know it's not the same grain direction, but I thought if I did it 1, 2, and then 1 this way, I'll leave more board for use in future projects and even more of this project potentially. And with the alternating grain direction, it'll be like really thick plies and plywood. And I think it'll just give it a nice kind of stripe down the middle. While this is setting up, now we need to work on this front bit focus right there, this guy right here. So for that, I've got this hunk of wood, which is also red oak, and I'm just gonna cut a 6-inch chunk off, and then we can cut the angle and stuff into it that we need for the front plate there. How well you'll be able to see this, but I've got my blade set at an angle and the riving knife is just barely out of line, so I couldn't get this stupid angle cut all the way through, block away. But I got started enough that my flush trim saw will finish it off. So this is my life now. Victory! Glue's still setting up on this. I got this sanded. It's the front block. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take this down to my laser, engrave a logo on it. And I saved my offcut so that when I set this up in the laser, I need this to be like flat, level. So I can use this offcut whoop, as the support under it to wedge it up at the proper angle. See that? Huh? You probably didn't see that because it didn't focus, but oh well. Yeah, so let's go down there and do that, and then come back up and figure out what's next. I don't even know. Whatever. All right, that came out of the laser pretty good, and it smells so good. So now that's done. I'm gonna let him unclamp those. Let the loud truck drive by. And then once he's got all those unclamped, hurry up please, we can get these two set, get that set apart with this, and have an idea of how we're gonna connect them together. I'm thinking it's gonna be about a 3-inch gap here, just based on the amount of records that are gonna be in this at one time. So we're gonna use another chunk of, well no, we'll probably use one of the flatter chunks. Anyway, you about done? Yeah, we'll do that. So, there. Now that that's out of the clamps, let's see how to put them together. I just used Danish oil for the finish on there, let it soak in, wipe off the excess, and then just kind of buff the surface a little bit. And gives it a nice satin sheen. I didn't want anything real shiny, wanted it to look natural. So that works well for that. Yeah, easy, quick, simple project. I was able to get this done in a day. I started it this morning and then wrapping it up now. So pretty straightforward. You can make it a lot simpler or more complicated. I'm happy with the design we got. So, yep, I'm gonna go now. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff, if you think I deserve it. Yeah, share the video with people you think might enjoy it. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye-bye.